This is indeed an exciting day for Norfolk Southern and for Atlanta. Not only are we breaking ground on a new headquarters, we're building on our proud history in Atlanta to contribute to the future of this great city.
Georgia's strong logistics infrastructure is one of our greatest tools when it comes to economic development and the assets that we have in this state.
I'm just grateful for the village that it's taken to get us to this point. So many of you all who are here today believe that this could be possible. So we are so grateful that you all have chosen Atlanta.
There's a lot of really great things going on. There are companies innovating through technology and logistics, and we have the talent in the state of Georgia. And think about our ports and our airport, the rail network we have in Georgia. Just makes a great place for them to be.
The decision to relocate the headquarters here was to build on all of those past successes and the presence that we already have in Georgia and in Atlanta. Georgia is a very important state for us. It has been for many, many years, over a century in fact. So Georgia, from a business standpoint, is a vital node on our network. The quality of the workforce, the infrastructure here in Atlanta, proximity to the airport. We've increasingly brought people to Atlanta. And those are IT workers, they're engineering employees, mechanical employees, many, many back office functions. Intellectual property and technological development and understanding are critical to our business as they are for every business. And all of that is right here.